Today we're unboxing our Fenty's Finest gift set. Actually super excited for this. For one, this highlighter, I just can't wait to try it. Let's dive right in. It's packaged very well. I like that a lot. Let's open it up. Want to be careful. Oh, the lip is beautiful. It's definitely full-sized. That's the mascara. I do believe this is the mini. Ooh, and the highlighter, the star of the show. Let's open it. Wow. All right, let's swatch it. So there it is on my finger. I'm so happy I got this. Oh my goodness, this makes me feel like a literal princess. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. No wonder why it's called How Many Carats. That is so beautiful. A win for sure. Definitely a win already. So I want to try her lip. This is it fussy? Okay, I love the way it looks. The color's beautiful, for one. Let's try it out. It smells good. It's definitely going to be plumping. I can tell that from the smell. What a beautiful color. I love the color. I love the packaging. This is like so sleek and unique, so love it. I'm already wearing like mascara, but I'm only wearing it on my top lash, so let's try this on the bottom lash. Let's take a good look at that applicator. It's a nice applicator. I think it's going to work well. Let's try it on my bottom lashes. So here they are with nothing. And now, oh wow. I wasn't even like too concerned about the mascara. Let's see if it does anything over top of my mascara from earlier. Okay. It does. And yeah, I'm obsessed. Wow. Nothing? Wow. That was actually the thing I was least excited for out of this set, to be honest with you. And then I mentioned that I might get it on one of my TikToks, and my friend was just like, you need this. This is amazing. Yeah, they weren't lying. This is crazy. Literally, okay? What a set. This is insanity. Okay, this was such a good set for such a good price. You definitely need this. I do think it's kind of only available in stores right now, but it's definitely worth the trip to the store. This is crazy. I love this. That's definitely given a 10 out of 10. You definitely need it if you can get it. And I hope you have a great day, my friend. Bye.